Good evening, McClure parents. I'm Karen Widener, co-president of the McClure PTSA. What does our very active PTSA do? First, we plan grade level socials. The 6th grade social will be September 17th. The 7th grade social will be in November, and the 8th grade dance will be in April. The Reflections Art Contest is open to all students. Entries are due on October 1st before 9:15 a.m. The teachers are currently working on grant requests as the PTSA is offering a total of $5,000 for teacher grants to help support student needs in the classroom. We will sponsor Red Ribbon Week in October and Healthy Living Week right before spring break. We will be coordinating a Thanksgiving food drive in November and will provide lunch for the teachers in December. Our big Stemapalooza family event will be held February 6th. We will also help pay for PBIS incentives and Olympics week expenses, and more. How can you help support your PTSA? You can purchase a PTSA membership or spiritwear in the atrium after open house tonight, and today is the last day to purchase a shirt and be guaranteed to get the size and color you want. You can also help by volunteering your time or sending in food donations for the food drive or for teacher hospitality. Our effortless fundraising includes linking your Amazon Smile or Publix accounts to McClure Middle School PTSA or letting Party America know you are with McClure Middle when you shop there. We have Sparkle, Zaxby's, and Nuke Spirit Nights too. Please be on the lookout for the Maverick Minute weekly e-blast that is sent out on Wednesdays. It has school and PTSA information as well as volunteer opportunities. You can find a link to our website there as well. We will be having a very short meeting at 8 p.m. tonight in the theater to vote on our budget and audit findings, so please plan on stopping in after open house. We appreciate your support and all of our volunteers and are looking forward to a wonderful year.